Hey guys, we are doing some unboxings today. First one, this is not sponsored, no ads. This is something that I bought myself on TikTok shop because people were talking mad about it and saying that it was the best thing ever. And honestly, Korean makeup has been amazing so far from what I've tried. So this is Gatekeep and I'm super excited about this one. It's already like, I've used it so much today, but you basically just, do one of those, put it like on your fine lines. A lot of people are putting it like under their like eyes for the under eye circles. Look at that, I've already used that much, oh my god. But putting it under their under eye circles, so it like takes out your under eye circles and just plumps up your skin. And honestly, I don't have any makeup on and I've been using it all day. It's awesome, I love it. So that is that. So far so good, day one, and I'm already obsessed. I'm probably gonna go on there and buy like a bunch more tubes of these before they sell out. Yay, just a little preview. Olay is like one of my favorite skincares ever. I got my wild olive oil. For those of you guys who did buy through my link, thank you for trying them and believing in me. And honestly, I hope that you have felt the way that I have, because this is incredible olive oil. I like to take this with lime juice or lemon juice. I love lemon juice with this one. It is literally the best olive oil that you can take medicinally. It actually sold out, so thank you Zoful for sending me my wild olive oil. I was super excited to get this because I ran out of my other one so quick. And then of course, we got some Primal Clean. Go ahead and open up our Primal Clean package. Yay! Okay guys, so we got a Primal Clean tumbler. Hey, oh my gosh, this is a big one. I love it. That is so cute. And then we got, I love, so cute, for the beach, for picnics, for lunchtime. It's a pretty good size too. I love it. It's got the little handle. Thank you guys. This is so cute. Lunch bag. We have something else in here. They sent me two. Yay. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Primal Clean. Oh my god, that is so cute. A gray one and I got a black one. Yay. And okay. And we also got something I've been really excited about. The Primal Clean Goddess Creatine Bites. So excited about these. For muscle, for your strength, endurance. Creatine monohydrate, which is the good kind of creatine, and it does have clean ingredients. Wild watermelon, I heard it's like really yummy. And I think that's it guys. So I'll be doing a couple more videos of each thing specifically, so you'll see those coming up, but this was just like the general video. Oh, and I actually got this awesome spotlight on TikTok shop. So it's got a mirror so that when you have it, it's got my fingerprints all over it, but so when you have the other side, like the good camera facing you, you can see yourself on the mirror. And then when you have the selfie, obviously it just gives you a much better light when you're using the selfie camera, which is what I'm actually using now. I'm waiting to get up to 1,000 followers on TikTok, so I can start my TikTok shop. But I did get this on TikTok. Again, not sponsored. It's just amazing little light. And then it also has like all of these different types of lights. So it's actually pretty cool, and it's got an adjustable like brightness Like if you want, you know, it a little dim, you want it a little brighter. It's amazing. So far, I love it. So it's got like really good lighting. That's my favorite one. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you for joining our unboxing today, and catch me on the next couple videos that I'll be doing for all of the different things that we got. So thanks guys. Bye.